How are you, dear students? I am well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I have come here to deliver a class for you. This situation is painful situation for you. This situation is not painful for Bangladesh, but overall the world. In this situation, our government is trying to continue studies through online system. Our education minister is also sincere for you. Our education minister always is encouraging us to continue your studies. That is why I have come to deliver your class. In this situation, don't try to movement here and there in vain. Always try to use masks and sanitizer. However, now I am going to discuss about degree. Now I am discussing superlative positive. Rule 1. No one plus next part of superlative plus verb singular plus so as plus positive form as subject. Example: he is the best boy in the class. If we turn into positive, no other boy in the class is as good as he. Remember that boy in the class is the next part of best. Best is the superlative form. At first, we have to use no other. Next, we have to use boy in the class because this is the next part of best. H is the singular form of verb, as positive form as subject. Rule 2. One of the connected superlative positive. Rule: very few plus next part of superlative plus verb plus as positive form as plus subject. Example: Habib is one of the cleverest boy in the class. Now I am going to turn into positive form. Answer: very few boys in the class are as clever as Habib. Here, the cleverest boy in the class is the next part of superlative form. So, very few next part of boy in the class, verb plural as clever as subject, Habib. Next, comparative to positive. Here rule 3. Then any other oblique all other connected compared to positive. The structure, no other plus next part of any other, oblique all other, plus bar, plus s, plus positive form, s plus subject. Here example, Raju is taller than any other boy in the class. Here Raju is taller than any other boy in the class. No other boy in the class is as tall as Raju. Here, boy in the class is the next part of any other. Next is verb, as tall is positive form, as Raju. Raju is subject. Rule 4, comparative between two. Structure, next part of then, plus verb, plus not, so as positive form, as plus subject. An example, Suma is taller than Raju. If we want to turn into positive, then it will be Ruma is not as tall as Suma. Here, Ruma is the next part of then, is not, as tall is the positive form of taller, as plus Suma. Suma is subject. Hope that you will watch the class always. I hope that you will be benefited if you watch the class and try to understand. Thank you.